Hey, my beautiful people. Today I'm making something quick, simple, and full of flavor: shrimp rice noodle stir fry. I start with eggs in the pan, soft and fluffy, then add in juicy shrimp. You can already smell the goodness. Next, in go the rice noodles, tossed with that rich pad mee sauce and just a little vinegar to balance everything out. If you like it a little sweet, add a touch of sugar. Then I finish with fresh romaine lettuce for that light crunch. And of course, don't forget the toppings: crushed peanuts, chili flakes, and a squeeze of lime to bring it all together. Simple, comforting, and so delicious, perfect for any day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.